This is Ace Widgets. They design, manufacture, and ship their widgets all over the world. But as demand increases, so does their need for a business software solution that can grow with them. With so many departments and so many islands of information, how can Ace possibly integrate all of their processes so that they can get a whole view of the business? Introducing M1 from ECI Solutions, a leading cloud-based ERP software solution for growing manufacturers, empowering them with sales, engineering, inventory, purchasing and receiving, production, quality assurance, shipping, accounting, and more, all in one complete package. Software should fit the way you do business, not the other way around. That's why M1 was designed to support your entire manufacturing operation right out of the box, with available modules to fit your unique business needs and support you as you grow. From inventory management to scheduling, product configuration to payroll, and mobile CRM to CAD integration, M1 has every area of manufacturing covered. And with its robust reporting tools, M1 makes analyzing and sharing data easy, so every department can have access to the information they need in real time. Tired of guessing how much material to buy and when to put jobs into production? As end-to-end management software, M1 helps manufacturers improve productivity, make better decisions, support interdepartment communication, and increase sales. M1 is a Windows-based system, which means it feels familiar right from the start, making it simple to learn and easy to train staff. And because it's cloud-based, you get access to real-time visibility wherever you are. So what are you waiting for? Build the perfect M1 system for your operations and budget, and start making better decisions, streamlining productivity, and increasing sales today. ECI M1, a leading cloud-based ERP software solution for growing manufacturers. To learn more and for a free demo, contact us today.